Hey guys, Eric Kyle here, publisher of Great Lakes Scuttlebutt Magazine. I'm excited to be down at the Cleveland Boat Show right here at the beautiful IX Center, Cleveland, Ohio. I'm having a blast. We're having boat shows again, so it's all good, right? While I'm here, I'm kind of wandering around. I'm looking for some fun and exciting new stuff to report to you guys on. And if I found something everybody here in the Great Lakes is going to love, I'm here with Terry with Cleveland Marine. Terry, how are you, buddy?
Great, how about you?
I'm doing fantastic. I saw your booth and it stopped me right in my tracks. You guys do a lot of pretty cool things over there. Tell us about Cleveland Marine.
So Cleveland Marine is a full-service marine repair facility located in downtown Cleveland.
Okay.
We offer mobile marine service along with in-house repairs of transmission rebuilding and diesel engine repair. We're a certified dealer for Yacht Thruster and also eWincher.
So pretty much if you've got a boat and you're in the Cleveland market and you need it repaired, you guys are the guys that come see and you're right downtown.
Oh yeah, we'll come right to you. We have online scheduling and we are ready to come to you at any moment's notice.
Oh, I love that, I love it. Now somebody's gonna hold you that when you say at any
That's
moment's
true.
notice. They're coming back from the cruise nest at 3 a.m. Terry, help! All right, so Yacht Thruster. That is an incredible product, Terry. I've been seeing it down at the Miami show from our friends at Yacht Controller over the years. This is pretty cool. Tell us about what Yacht Thruster is.
So Yacht Thruster is an amazing company. They're a division of Yacht Group, and they have Yacht Controller and Yacht Thruster, and those two products together offer a great option for people to have an add-on bow thruster or stern thruster on any range of model of boat, from wakeboards, sport boats, to large boats, sailboats. They offer it all. And it's all bolt-on with minimal downtime and excellent serviceability out of that company and a local dealer from us right here in Cleveland, Ohio.
Thank God you guys are here. I've been waiting for a local guy to be up here with Yacht Thruster for a long time. So if I want to put a Yacht Thruster on my boat so I can pivot inside the marina, inside of the dock, I can really have total control of my vessel, you guys are the ones that can install it for me.
Oh yeah, we'll install it, take care of any warranty that you might have on it, and will be here for you and your family for years to come.
Love it. Lake Erie Boaters, you're hearing it here first. eWincher, what is the deal with this thing?
eWincher is a wonderful product to electrify any winch on your boat. It allows you to cut the cost of buying just one electronic winch. You can buy one powered winch handle for half the price, and you can power any winch on your boat all day long.
Now when I'm in a stiff breeze out there with my wife and I tell her to pull in the main, I need this.
Yes.
I need this. When I tell her to shore up the jib sail because we're in a heavy wind, or I want to reef it off, I need this. So if I'm a sailor, I'm here in the Great Lakes area, if I don't know about eWincher, I need to find out, because you guys are the authorized dealer for these here in the Great Lakes, right?
Yes, we're the only person in the area, right? And it's a company right out of France that delivers everything right here. We have stuff in stock and ready to sell today.
I love it. Okay. I love Cleveland Marine. I can't believe that I was not more aware of all the different things that you guys do. If I'm not able to make it to the Cleveland Boat Show, Terry, where am I going to go online to find out more information about you guys?
So if you want to find out more information about us, come over to clevelandmarineservice.com, and you can find all of our information about online booking, about us, and any of the repairs or services that we offer.
And I can contact you right there as well.
You can contact me right to my personal phone.
Love it. Terry, thank you so much, my friend.
No problem. Thank you.
Cleveland Marine Service.
Yes.
Cleveland Marine Service, guys, that's where you want to go find out all the information about Yacht Thruster, eWincher. If you have an engine repair that you need, any kind of service that you need on your boat, Cleveland Marine, these guys, they can help you. Thanks so much for joining us. We'll see you out on the water.
Thank you.